An objective of the Advocacy Committee is to inform, engage, and get input from members of the Nigerian public. To do that, we're going to reach out to stakeholders as well as citizens and friends of this country. We understand the importance of the National Assemblies, who are inherently lawmakers and representatives of various people in the country. So we shall be reaching out to them, to the leadership and to the members. We shall be reaching out to various stakeholders and community leaders of the country. That will include traditional leaders, leaders of community, and members of various communities across the country. We will also be reaching out to other sectors, including the young people. We shall be conscious of gender inclusion because we want a constitution as the people's constitution and the constitution of the future. And we shall be sensitive to various parts of the constitution. As the chairman has said, our understanding of Nigeria is that it's a plural entity. And the best way to do it is to recognize its diversity so that everybody can be heard and have input on the future document of the country. Our membership at the moment is a selected membership of about 17 people that cross across the Federation. A list of this membership will be available to the media before the end of the day. But we shall go on to increase our membership to make sure that every region of the Federation is included. We shall be sensitive to age, we shall be sensitive to gender in our inclusion. And the method of our engagement would be to speak to people and above all listen to people. We understand that the Constitution is a very fundamental document, and we depart, as the chairman has said, in the reading the mind of the Patriots, from existing documents. So what we're going to do is not really starting from zero, but it's to summarize and update what we have and make sure that to have a people's constitution, the people indeed have an input in it. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.